make some amazing custom designs. All you need is the imagination and the creativity that you already have. So you take the Cricut and you couple that with your creativity, and you take the heat press and you can transform your wardrobe. I'm going to take this comfortable but boring blank t-shirt. I'm going to take my drone case and I'm going to transform both of them into this. As you see, I made my Oxman again really stand out. Very personalized drone case. My shirt couldn't have come out any better. Oxman on the front, on the side. Look at that. Look how it looks on the side. Be humble on the side. On this side, I have the ox, and on the back, Mercy. Now that you've seen what the finished product looks like, let me show you all the steps. Let's get started. You just saw what the finished product is going to look like. So now I'm about to show you the steps. For the shirt, I'm going to use an iron-on heat transfer, and for the drone case, I'm just going to use vinyl and then scrape it on. I'm going to show the steps on how you design on the computer. You can use your laptop or cell phone. I'm going to use the computer. Then I'm going to show you how you stick the paper to the board and show the Cricut cutting. Before I open the Cricut design space, I like to stick the vinyl paper to the Cricut cutting mat. I'm using the standard grip. All you do is line up the vinyl in the corner and make sure you have the shiny side down. Now that we've attached the vinyl to the mat, we're ready to go into the Cricut design space and create our images. First, go to the internet and download the image you want to your computer. Then you open up your Cricut design space and start with a blank canvas. Click the upload button, upload the image from your computer to the Cricut design space by selecting open. Select complex so the image is highly detailed. Select continue. On this page, you can erase the white background of your image by simply moving the cursor to any space that is white and click this. This allows the Cricut to cut the image. Hit continue. Since we are ironing this to our shirt, you want to save it as a cut image. From here, you're going to upload the image you just created to a blank canvas. Resize the image by using this arrow in the corner, or you can type in the sizes, either the width or the height. That's how you make and adjust your image. Now I'm going to click the upload and go to get the other images I've already made. I'm going to select the ones that I want and hit insert. Once they are inserted onto the canvas where the ox was, I will resize them to the specific dimensions. Then I'm going to select make it. Now I'm going to rearrange the images on this mat to match how I stuck the vinyl to the Cricut standard cutting mat. You want to select mirror and then continue. Make sure the material is set to iron on and load your mat. I'm about to load the Cricut cutting board. I want to make sure that the dial is turned to iron. It's on iron on. You slide it under to these little tabs right here on both sides, and then you just hit this button. It's the automatic feed. After you load the cutting board and you hit the feed, now all you have to do is hit this little blinking C. It's ready to start cutting. While the Cricut is cutting the vinyl, you can see the progress on the computer screen. As you see, looking at the computer screen, you can tell we're coming to a finish. We will be prompted to unload the cutting mat with the blue line on the computer screen. Okay, once the Cricut is done cutting, you just press the automatic feed and unfeed button, and the cutting board slides out. Start at a corner, peel the vinyl off of the mat. You want to pull gently, don't just rip it off. Once you have your vinyl pulled off, I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut each design, cut around each design. And then, I don't know how good you can see it, but this is the ox, and then I'm going to use this little dental pick and remove the excess material, and then you'll just be left with the ox. Here's all 4 designs cut out and ready to be heat pressed onto the shirt, which is the next step. Now it's time to use the heat press to stick all the vinyl stickers onto the shirt. The heat press is at 350 degrees, and I'm going to use this Teflon sheet to protect the vinyl sticker from the hot plate. Simply, well, before I move the plate out of the way, you line up the sticker, you line up the vinyl cut out onto the shirt. I already lined it up. I'm going to remove the hot plate, take the shirt, place it up here, do my best to keep it straight, take the Teflon protective sheet, slide the heat press back over, and I'm going to count for 15 seconds. Lift it up, slide it out of the way. The Teflon sheet is not hot at all. Then I'm going to slowly remove the plastic backing, and the lettering just sticks. It's just flawless. Then what I like to do, I take the Teflon sheet. This is just a little final heating, and then I just hold it for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Take it off. Teflon sheet comes off. There you go. Now, I'm about to put the sides on and then the back, and then we're all done. I really like using this heat press over an iron. Using an iron would work. The heat press just makes it so much easier, faster, and it's a perfect seal. It covers, I don't know how big this thing is. It looks like 14 inches by 12 inches. It just really gets a good, nice, you get real good coverage, and it just comes out perfect. It's nice and easy. Now, I don't have to tell you, but don't touch it. Very hot. You know, I had a very good time making these designs. The Oxman on my drone case, this just came out perfect. It actually looks a little better than I thought. I really like that I was able to personalize my drone case. But I didn't tell you this was a surprise. My drone, I actually put some stickers on the drone as well. You know, just my own little personal touch. You know, making this shirt was very cool. I really like the ones on the sleeves, and then the one on the back. I got my name in the front. Very cool, very fun. I got my creative juices flowing, making all this stuff, and I had a good time doing it. If anybody out there wants a shirt, or you want your drone case or your drone to be personalized, let me know. I'll leave a link below in case you want to find out some more information on how to do that. As usual, I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll be sure to get back at you. You guys have a good one.